Thanks so much for having me, everyone. My name is Lachlan Knight. I'm the CEO and founder of Glaass. I created Glaass back in 2016 based on my frustration working in the construction industry, using paper, email, Excel spreadsheets. And I'm excited to show you our creation today, a solution which is used and loved by some of the largest construction companies in the world. So I created Glaass based on my frustration in the industry. I'm a civil engineer by trade. That's a photo of me that you can just see on the left-hand side there, where I was working on a construction project, and there's a clipboard in my hand, which is a little bit difficult to see. Don't know if I can minimize this. Yep. Having the clipboard in my hand there, and I just saw so much money wasted as a result of the disconnected, inefficient, and immobile systems used to record, track, and trace projects. I saw drainage lines ripped up because the wrong drawings were used, and I saw whole sections of road ripped up because the wrong materials were used. And it was just an ongoing problem that I had seen. And as an engineer, I believe it's due to four main criteria. And that was using email for correspondence, which is a closed application, which made it very difficult to see any communication that had happened between employees when they had left the project. Hard drives, which are super difficult to search for, to store all of the documents and drawings and revisions. Software that was so difficult to use that the people on the ground just simply did not know how to use it and therefore simply just abandoned it. And then for everything else, there was paper. And it became so difficult to audit projects when you have a mixture of systems together and none of this information was cross-referenced or linked. Now we're talking about the second least digitized industry globally. Where the Construction Industry Institute actually estimates that up to 25 cents in every dollar spent on site is wasted through this miscommunication and the lacking systems. And I really think that's quite a conservative number based on all the projects I've worked on throughout Australia, the United Kingdom, and Europe. Now, we see Glaass having three main competitors. There's legacy systems, upmarket solutions, and market followers. Now, either the solutions were so difficult to use that people simply just abandoned them for paper. They either weren't configurable or they had really rigid pricing options, which meant that there were more solutions being used, adding to the list. So enter Glaass. Glaass is a bespoke construction management solution which records, tracks, and traces all aspects of a project. There's a range of construction-specific modules that aim to digitize paper processes. It's all simple and familiar. So whether you're looking at a non-conformance report, a defects report, or an inspection report, it all looks and feels the same, giving the users a sense of familiarity. Now, because the system is entirely bespoke, it's customizable to our clients' needs and requirements, and we're a full service provider. It means that we are physically on site when the solution is configured and established. We do all of the training in person, and we're even there for go live support to help people in the field. Now, because it is bespoke, it means that our clients can create custom registers, custom dashboards, and the whole solution is tailored to their individual business processes. There's three real aspects to Glaass. There's the Glaass Core, which is an inbuilt suite of powerful tools. Now, these help contractors save time, money, and efficiency. And there's a series of construction-specific modules that they can choose from. Now, these modules can be customized, and within the modules sit templates. The templates are entirely customizable, and they include intelligent tags, like metadata tags, that help report and track progress. So we're currently working with some of the world's largest construction companies. WeBuild, who was formerly Cellini and Pagillo, is one of the world's largest construction companies with a turnover of over 10 billion euros. Now, we're working on projects with them all over the world, from Denmark, Canada, Australia, and even in Norway. So we've already had some great success with them, and we're also expanding our footprint with local contractors here in Australia as well, with Golding, where they use Glaass to record all of their urban projects. So we've been operating for a number of years now, and the great thing about our business is that we get long-term contracts, which makes it really easy to predict our monthly recurring revenue and our annual recurring revenue. Some of the feedback from Glaass has been really overwhelming. So we're ranking amongst some of the highest in construction management applications online. And our clients are finding new and creative ways of using the solution to meet their needs in all areas of their project management, whether it's quality, safety, environment, or daily diary. And Glaass has been featured in a number of magazines and articles. We had a really great success story with WeBuild in Sydney, where we helped them achieve a Gold Safety Award from the Royal Society of the Prevention of Accidents. And we even helped them on that project save a lot of money through litigation and through claims, where they actually utilized our daily diary tool to see all of the hours on site. And they're able to use that information to help them in these claims. So we've got a really exciting future. We've actually partnered with Microsoft for our solution. So we've got ex-Microsoft employees working at Glaass. The whole solution is built on Microsoft technologies. So we actually partnered with them, which is a really great initiative for our company. More excitingly, we have a really great relationship with WeBuild. So they're looking at Glaass as a worldwide partner for their 90 plus projects around the world. They only do large scale projects, $500 million and up. So we're working on 5 of their projects at the moment, and we're scaling up, which has a really great future prospect with a annual recurring revenue in excess of $16 million. We're obviously working with local contractors Golding, where we are expanding into their civil and mining divisions. We've got a cumulative pipeline value of projects in excess of $3 million, including some really iconic projects, such as the Texas High-Speed Rail. That's a $20 billion project in Texas from Houston to Dallas. So excited to be a part of that. Our growth strategy is in 3 areas. So we're going to leverage account-based selling into our existing clients, working with our existing healthy sales pipeline with Golding and WeBuild. And what we're looking to help in is to market our solutions into key international markets. For that, we believe the Americas, Europe, and Asia are the 3 core markets that we should focus on. And that's really what we're looking for in an investor. So we're looking for an investor who can help us in sales and marketing, specifically building sales and marketing teams in those 3 core areas. So we are going to expand with our current clients, and we also want to develop a mixed reality solution, which would integrate into the BIM module into Glaass, which would enable an innovative way for clients and contractors to hand over parts of their project, and even through auditing and maintenance. So we're looking to raise $1.8 million in capital to support this. So we've had a really good start to our project and our business. Strong projects with WeBuild, large projects running anywhere from 3 to 5 years, giving us really solid monthly recurring revenue. And as I said, we are looking to partner with them for the lifetime of their value of the projects, where they have in excess of 90 projects worldwide. So really, really good prospects there for the future. Our team is comprised of myself, so I'm a civil engineer by trade, turned entrepreneur. Thomas is our CTO. Tom held many positions in Accenture, Microsoft, and other large companies. We've got Rob, our sales director. Rob's background is typically in the health industry, digitizing a lot of their paper systems. So Rob's come on board to help us out. And that is our presentation complete. So welcome any comments or questions that anyone has.